coming 136 is stopped at East Brunswick, waiting on a route. I was just making sure you were on time.
Yeah, they're grinding it up right now, and we should be able to clear here in the next 5 or 10 minutes.
You're gonna lift that whole slower?
Yeah, I should be able to lift it.
Okay.
I'll give you a shout here as soon as they clear.
All right. Do you think this is gonna be a couple minutes or 15 or 20?
Probably be about 10 minutes.
All right. I just might let this BO-29 go and give them the 10. Okay.
All right, understand. He doesn't have to go over this 10 because we're sitting on top of the frog. He's going to go. We got him going 2 to 1.
1 to 1, but it's still, because the way that track segment's laid out in the CADs, it still shows as if it's going 1 to 2 to 1. So it still puts it out. I mean, unless you want to knock it down now.
No, that's all right. Just give him the 10 and let him go, and then we'll take care of it once we get done here.
All right, if you're going to remove it anyways, I mean, you could do it now if it's not going to affect him going 1 to 1.
Yeah, that's fine.
It's completely up to you. If you want to knock it down, I'll meet you on 14.
3618, eastbound number 2 track. All right, hold on. Meet you on 14.
So yeah, it's a funny the way it is. It's 42.8, 52.9 on 2 track, which it's longer. So okay, we got EC1 88070. It's 88070. Date is 9/19/V3. The BA 42.2. For the PO 2919, Amtrak 301. Rydell copy. Circle line 5A, 5 Alpha, do not exceed the following speed. We have a 10 over 10 mph on number 2 track. Between the BA 42.8 and BA 42.9, no signs, over.
EC1 88070, 88070, 091923, location BA 42.2. CNE train ID PO 2919 and Amtrak 301, Rydell copy for line 5 Alpha. Do not exceed the following speed 10, 10 mph on the number 2 TWO track through the milepost BA 42.8, the milepost BA 42.9, no signs, over.
That's a good copy on 88070 by Rydell, located 1658 EJA, over.
EC1 88070, can effective 1658 EJA, RER, over.
And like I said, going there at Point of Rocks from 1 to 1, there's still a small track segment there that they consider to be number 2 main, so that slower will affect you. I'm sure you can see it on your PTC, right?
Yeah, I don't even think it's generated here on PTC. I don't see it on there.
Okay, well, they just didn't put out interlocking at Point of Rocks. Once you get through there, you can pick it back up.
Okay, I understand. I appreciate it.
No problem. CSX species out.
Hey, Criminal 14.
Hey, Crumb.
Hey, did you want to take care of this slow order or just wait till I give it up?
Doesn't matter now. I mean, I gave it to 29 just to give it to him, so you could just give it to me later if you want, whatever you want to do, man.
All right, because the boss is telling me we might have to put some shims in something here, so we might need to hold it just a little bit longer.
I mean, 136 is stopped there, though. I mean, they're going to want to get him moving. He's an ID turn, good till 2 in the morning, so I can't really hold him that long. Are you, I mean, you're able to clear for him just so I can get him through?
Yeah, but if you bring him, I'm gonna have to leave I have to put it to a 25 because the guard check's bad on it.
Okay. I mean, it depends on how long I gotta hold him in. I mean, I can't hold him there 30 minutes or more. You know what I mean?
Right. Probably have to clear for you then.
Okay.
All right. I'll let you know here shortly.
And the 10's protecting it, so I mean, let me get him through. I can just the 10 on. I was just gonna run 10 through there, and then you can pick it back up in the east direction following him.
All right, that'll work.
Okay. Or let me see here. I might be able to. I got P875. I'll tell you what, man. Let me I'll tell you what, and I'm just going to bring him, I'm going to run PO29, and then I'm going to bring 136 up one track at East Brunswick to Point of Rocks for now.
All right, sounds good. We're going to start knocking these shims out and everything and putting them back in, so hopefully we can get clear here as soon as possible.
And then I'll have P875 down there in about 25 minutes, which you should be clear by then, right?
Hopefully, yeah.
Okay. All right, man, here we go.
All right, here we go. Westbound 1, no D's, clear East Brunswick.